Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am Aisha and I am here today shopping at Just Cozy. So as you can see back side of me, so I'll be going in and let's see what's there in the store. So the entire store is on sale, like it is only for like $12, and they have this beautiful leggings. The material inside is like too warm. I wanted something like this which is furry from inside, so for winters they have a good collection. Like you can see, the whole store is for this weekend is for $12. So let's see if I find some good leggings. I don't like more printed stuff, so maybe I'll just see. Oh, there are such beautiful cozy socks over here. Oh, so this has so lovely print, like it's simple, but I don't like pink these days. Let's see more. Oh, they have so beautiful winter prints, like the Christmas ones. This is so cool. And these prints are like so cute, as you can see. Oh, this is like, they have this cute baby prints. And then there are these beautiful shawls. So these are also like for only $12. I think they are warm. Okay, so I was looking something for like this, some plain color which I can even wear at the workplace. So this one is for like $25, but right now it is for $12. I have got one for me. So this black one, I like it because I think it is really warm from inside. So this is perfect. Let's see if I find something else also. Okay guys, so I have just shopped from Just Cozy. I got my pair of leggings. So I think it is warm enough for this winters. So you guys can also, if you are in Canada, you can go for this weekend and shop from Just Cozy. Okay, so now I am here in garage and let's see if I get something good over here. I like such small crop tops. Oh, and this one is like so pretty. Okay guys, so now I am here at Fairweather and I'm seeing if I can get some good winter clothes. So let's see. So I think there are some jackets over here like for 50% off for $99. Then there are few over here for $199. I don't know, like they have not mentioned like if they support for till minus 30 degree or something. I'm looking for a jacket which can support up to like 30 or minus 40 degrees. Oh, and I found something like, I think this one is good. I'm not sure. Yeah. I like this one, like this is only for like 50. Yeah, nice. Okay guys, so I'm also done shopping from Fairweather over here. So I got few stuff from here, so I'll just see and look around if I get some good jacket, or else I have thought of ordering it from Roots online. Okay, so now I am here at Designer Depot and let's see if I find some jacket over here. So these ones are like really good, like they support up to like minus 30 to 40 degrees Celsius temperature, and this is like for $3.95, but right now it is like for only $129. So I think this one looks good, like I think the length is also good, and yeah, material is also quite thick. And I met her, my dost, lovely dost. Very yeah, I got something like this for her shawl, but that is different thing. Hey, there should be more colors. No, but I think that this color is more better. This one is good. Pink, no? Okay guys, so हमने बहुत सारी shopping कर ली है. We got the jacket and all. We are entering in Sephora. Okay guys, so next we are entering in the Urban Planet, and I know today I look very tired because I am straight away from the work. I don't like such bright colors. There are like so many crop tops and all also for like just $10. I think this is only for this week. And this is like just $15. Hey, this ones we were looking for, no?
Yeah.
This was in like...
But this we will get in
yeah, so this one was in sale that day. 40%. Yeah, you should get some sweater like this in black.
we should get a pinky.
There's...
Okay, first we need to get a dress.
See this. The white one. You should get something like this in black.
No black, but
That's a t-shirt. Which dress? I like this.
can I take the hanger?
Take it. I'm done with the video. What was this? What was
Can I
this?
take
the clip?
I think this is large.
Yeah, this is large. Put the collar proper. Okay, so we have this camisoles, right? This is also like only for $11.99 and that also we have 40% off over here. Elmi, see this, you can wear it like this with a crisscross neck.
I'm taking it.
And guys, see this, like the denims are only for like $10. So I think this is a very good price for the denims. Guys, so we are here at Ardeen and Ardeen has a very good collection. Yeah, it is good. It has cap also. Even this is good. So we have a very good collection here and like they have very good prices also, and plus they have very good warm clothes, good for winters. So you guys must check.
There are tops like this also.
They have very tempting collection here, yeah. There are these corduroy pants also. I think they are boyfriend style pants. Yeah, I think it's this style. I want one joggers, yeah. Here also there are joggers, LB. See this material? Oh, but these are like pants, not joggers. I don't know. Everything is mixed up. And see this. This is such a cute collection. Oh my god. I love this. Like this leggings are only for like $12.90 and in sale it is like 50% off. Okay guys, we are done with shopping and we have like, see, as you can see, he is carrying so many bags. We are almost done with the shopping. We are done with the Urban Planet. Now do we want to toast
We'll be having something.
Okay,
We're already
so now
tired
we are already tired because I am already done with my shift and I am all out for the day. So we'll just eat something and then we'll wind up. So hope you guys enjoy my vlog and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you guys with the next video. Tata.